I wish I had recorded myself while watching the movie Vazai, a Tamil film streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar. Only if I had recorded my reaction, you would know what this movie has made me feel. Let's get into the incredible film that I watched and have loved it. Highly recommended. It's about two boys who are in school, must be like 8, 9 years old, in a village, and they don't have like a very humble background. They have a struggling background in terms of emotion, in terms of family, in terms of money, in terms of like literally everything. One boy, who is the main lead, is really good at studies, but his mother forces him to go and pluck bananas and carry them on his off days. So he is missing out on a lot when it comes to his childhood along with his friend. And the story is basically drama. What happens in the end, I'm not even gonna get into it because I don't wanna give you spoilers and I don't know how I'm gonna even talk about it because it is so emotional. But guys, you have to watch this film. Okay, now I'm gonna go step by step because I did write myself some notes while I was watching this movie, and I think the next time when I'm recommended a really good film, I'm gonna record my reaction because it's gonna be totally worth it. So, my first point, the movie has so much richness and culture in the start, and the cinematography and music was good in the first 5 minutes. And honestly, I love children on camera because I think they're very versatile actors. So, yeah, the part looked promising for sure. That is true. In the first 20 minutes of the film, they had amazing shots. The music was nice, and I do love children on camera because if you've seen movies like Florida Project or Honey Boy, they are such good actors. Sometimes they act better than adult actors. You know, they were so good, especially like both the boys in this movie were incredible actors, and they made you feel like every scene. It's definitely very well directed and keeps your mood like, okay, tell me more. That is true. I actually love the fact that the director didn't make it like a movie. It felt like you were a part of the village because the way he shot it, the way he showed some shots, the movie is funny and has a vibe, and both these boys are obsessed with films and are naughty but good in studies as well. That is so true. Actually, in the start, when I saw that it's a drama film and they were doing things which was so funny, please watch it in Tamil, guys. Don't watch it in Hindi because, like, the dubbing is gonna spoil the audio and the fun for you. Watch it in Tamil. Trust me, you're gonna get used to reading subtitles in less than 5 minutes. The movie is hilarious in the start. Like there are some jokes, there are some Kamal Hassan references, there are some Rajnikant references, which are so funny and so unique. And it like gets you in the movie in the light-hearted zone, and then it gets super intense and heartbreaking. One day the guy decides to go on strike because they want more money, and the kids obviously get happy because yeah, men want to go on a strike because they want more money. That's a little twist in the film. Um, Listen to the dialogue very carefully at that time. And spoiler alert, not spoiler, clue alert. And the boys obviously get happy because they're like, now there's a strike, so we don't have to work anymore. But the strike gets resolved in like a day. The child is also nice with his teacher. Oh my god, and yeah, there is this whole zone going on between the child and a teacher. Like, the child is falling in love with the teacher, and the teacher's also not giving him like that love attention, but is being nice to him, which was so cute. That entire angle was amazing to watch. I love how the director has small montages in the movie of random things. That's true. There are like, he's talking, like, there's something intense going on in the background with sound, but he's basically showing like a fly on a feet in your visual. So that was really cool. Like, he had very raw montages in between intense dialogues, which was really nice style of filmmaking. And if I ever become a filmmaker, then I'm gonna use that style for sure. The movie is so funny. I swear on my mom, and I can't trust you. Oh my god, yeah, that part where he's like, if you swear on someone, which is a false swear, that person dies. And then he says, I swear on my mom. That was so funny. And then when they're trying to pray to the deities, and they're like, you cannot trust them because we pray to all of them and nothing happens. That was so innocent and cute because we've all been there, like, even as a child, I used to be like, I swear on my mom or my mom will die. But that was so That was so cute. I loved it. So yeah, the film is definitely funny too. It's so sad to see they're hurting themselves to enjoy their moments and not on money. That was cute as well. Yeah, like they prick their feet so that they don't have to go to work and they can tell their mom about it. That was a bit sad. Cow. Yeah, the cow. The poor guy went on a ride with a teacher and the cow got lost. The acting during the whole cow scene was amazing. Like, amazing. I was so invested in it. Oh my god, and the food scene when the guy was so hungry. I honestly don't want the movie to end. I have actually written that. Scene when the sister tells that to go and give my crush henna, and he goes and he also gives his father's niche memento. And that was, I think, saying that, meri taraf se haan hai types to the guy, and that was really cute. I mean, like, the scenes are so well written. This movie is so well written, so well directed. The music is so good. Everything about the movie is great. I loved it. I highly recommend it. Please watch it. It's like a proper drama film. You're going to be so immersed in it. I think it is one of my favorite drama films from 2024. Like, what a wholesome film, man. Highly recommend it. Please watch it for the acting. Acting number one, like, so good. Watch it for the music. Watch it for the direction. Watch it for some shots. Watch it for everything. Everything about this movie is just perfect, and I highly recommend it. Shout out to the director and shout out to the actor, shout out to the writer, shout out to literally every cast and crew of this film. It was perfect. Perfect is not the word. I loved it. I also thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please recommend me really good drama films from anywhere in the world, and I will promise to talk about them. And Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I hope that you're safe.